Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung Galaxy M33 and Galaxy M33 5G. So if you want to enable or if you want to disable the sound and vibration of the keyboard, like whenever you use the keyboard, the sound and vibration, you want to enable or disable that, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can enable or disable the sound and vibration. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's watch the video.